Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can remove these texts right here. Taxes, discount, and shipping calculated at checkout. Specifically, you want to remove this shipping calculated at checkout. If you try to click it here, you see that we can't customize it on the site editor, so we have to go to a different route. First off, I want you to exit from the customization on the website. Just press on the left-hand side here, edit. Once you're on your Shopify admin port again, make sure you're on online store and then themes. Down here, press the three dot here, and then press edit default theme content. Let it load. And then once here, you want to go onto this search bar up here, and then let's just search shipping calculated. Enter. And now these are the texts that we have. So if I want to remove shipping calculated at checkout, I'm just going to delete this. Discounts, I'll leave discounts. And then I'll delete this as well. Delete all instances of shipping calculated at checkout to make sure that none remain. This as well. Just delete all of it. And then once you've done and deleted all of that, make sure to press save up here. Once the theme content is updated, we can go back and check. Let's go back to customize. Let's go to our cart. There you go. Now it's removed. You can also change the text here to whichever one you want. You can make it so like free shipping or something like that. But the point is, that is how you remove the text right there.